Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I am going to solve quant questions which are asked in most of these exams, just as GMAT, CAT, Bank, PO, all of that. Okay, so let's begin. The first question is, product of two numbers is given as 728. Their HCF is 8 and what is their LCM? Okay, so this is quite straightforward. For those of you who do not know how to solve this, the formula is product of two numbers is equals to LCM into HCF. Okay, so according to this formula, we'll just put the values. They've given the product of two numbers is 728 and the LCM given is, LCM is not given, so we are supposed to find it. We're going to write LCM as it is, and HCF is given as 8. So simply just divide 728 by 8 and that will get you your LCM, which is nothing but 91. Understood? See, this was so easy, right? This entire question was very easy, but lot of y'all do not know these basics, okay? Or many of y'all are just starting with your quant studies. So I do take in some questions which are very basic. Now the next question is quite interesting, okay? So those of y'all who have not who know everything about LCM and HCF chapter, still this is something which you should be concentrating on. Okay, so the question is that sum of two numbers is what if they are in ratio of 2:3 and LCM is 20. LCM is 72. Okay, so now students, before going ahead with the solution, I would request all of y'all, if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Okay, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to it. Okay, so now coming to the solution. So here, see, if they've given you a ratio, okay, so this solution will work for any sums which have a ratio involved. All you have to do is you just have to take LCM of the ratio. So LCM of 2 and 3, both are prime numbers, so it will be nothing but 2 into 3, which is 6. Okay, now students, before moving on, I would remind all of you all at the end of the video I will put up a DIY question and you will let me know the answers in the comment section. I will check your answers and let you know whether you're right or wrong. Okay, so now see, understand, the LCM of the ratio is 6. Okay, what you have to do is simply divide the 72 number, because 72 is the LCM of actually two numbers. Okay, please understand, the LCM given, which is 72, is the LCM of the two numbers, and here we are finding the LCM of the ratio. Okay, do not get confused. Okay, so now 72 divided by 6 will get you 12. Okay, now all you have to do is simply just find for the first number. All you need to do is simply multiply the first ratio, which is 2, by this number, which was 12. Okay, so this is going to get you 24. So obviously second number, I'm sure you must have already done it in your heads, which is 3 into 12 is equals to 36. Okay, so basically the two numbers are 24 and 36. Students, a lot of you all complain that I take so much of time while explaining and all that, but because there are a lot of you who get confused, so I have to go stepwise. Okay, otherwise I could have directly told you, acha, the LCM is 6, divide this by 72, you will get 12, multiply this with each of these numbers and you will get your actual two numbers. Okay, so please pardon me if it is going a bit slow for you, and if you think that it's really going slow, you can scroll ahead. Okay, now similarly, now there is another question, which is, what is the sum of two numbers which are in ratio 3:4 and have LCM of 84? So again, we'll first take LCM of 3 into 4, which is equals to 12, and then we divide the actual LCM, which is 84, divided by 12, you will get the answer as 7. So now your first number is nothing but 3 into 7, which is 21. Similarly, your second number will be 4 into 7, which is 28. Now, students, please understand, they are asking you to find the sum of these numbers, okay? So, your final answer will be 49. This is going to be your answer, okay? So, now, I am going to write down the do-it-yourself question, and please put your answers in the comment section, okay? The question goes, this is going to be a bit twisted, okay? So yes, you will use the concept explained in the video only, but still I'm not going to give you a direct question. Okay, so the question is, if the HCF of two numbers is 11 and their LCM is 7,700, also one of the number is 275, then find the other number. Okay, so students, I know this is a bit different than normally I give you a very straightforward question for DIY, but this time I thought let me give you a bit tricky one. So if you do not know how the answer for this one, do not worry, I will definitely put up that in the solutions as well, but I'm going to wait for a couple of days, okay, for all of you all to put in your answers, and then definitely I will put in my solution. Also, apart from this, students, all of you all have asked me, like, you know, you are looking for a book which has a lot of questions when it comes to quant questions and all of that. Then I would recommend an R.S. Agarwal book, because that book has like, you know, it has loads and loads of questions to practice, okay. The link of that book will be available in the description. Also, those enthusiasts who want to really work on their mathematics skills, then I would recommend another book which is called as Vedic Maths for All Ages. The link of that book is also available in the description. That is some book which can really help you in becoming very good at your calculations. Okay, so that's it for now. I will definitely see you in the next video. See ya.